All right, I'm gonna do some sound clips since I put that turbo inlet pipe on here because some people had been asking me. So get in here, start it up. Doesn't sound too bad outside the truck. Okay, so I'm gonna drive down the road here and try to get the best sound clips that I can with the microphone that I have available. So I'm gonna basically shut up now and just let you listen, and maybe you'll be able to pick out the extra sound that this tube makes. Maybe you won't, we'll see later, but for now I'm just gonna hush and let the truck do the talking. I turned the camera there so that the microphone will be facing the dash. I don't know if that makes a difference in what the camera's going to pick up or not, but I thought I'd try it. I'll say one thing for sure, this truck feels like, and you know, I guess it could be placebo effect or whatever, but it sure does feel to me like it's got better throttle response now. A little bit more power. It seems like the power comes on a little easier. I mean, again, you know, anytime you do a modification like this, you kind of have a psychological effect, I guess, but man, it really does feel like it's got a little more pep than it used to have, which obviously is a good thing. One more little hill right here that we'll pull up, and I'm going to turn the camera again so the microphone will be facing the dash. Maybe it'll pick up the whoosh sound a little bit better. Okay, one more clip I'm going to get here. We're pulling out onto a 2-lane highway. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot this clip real quick. So really, it's got more of a whoosh sound under load conditions, pulling up a hill, and mostly at slower speed. Pulling out onto the highway like I just did, it cycles through the gears so quickly that it really doesn't make a lot of noise. But it seems like at slower speed, pulling up the hills and things, is when you can really hear the noise more. And I would say that when I hook my enclosed trailer on here and load it down and really put some load against the engine, that's when it's probably going to sing a nice symphony to me. But overall, I would say that compared to stock, it's a little bit louder, a little bit more noticeable, but it's not wild. I was kind of expecting and hoping that it would be wild, to be honest. I really like to hear the engine, but it didn't really get wild. It didn't get, insanely loud or anything. Not a whole lot of whistling or anything like that. I think you'd probably have to do a delete kit and get rid of all the exhaust crap to make it whistle and do that. But all in all, it's not bad. It's really not bad. It had a little bit of a whoosh before when it was stock, and now it's a little bit louder than it was. So I'm pretty happy with it. And again, I don't know how much the camera picked up, but I did my best, guys. So anyhow, little bonus video. Headed to get some dinner now, so I'm going to put the camera down, but we will talk to you guys later. Have a good weekend.